In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk delete messages on Slack. While Slack doesn't provide a single button to wipe out messages in bulk, I'll show you a practical, safe way to clear out conversations quickly by deleting messages one after another, and then where to find the option to remove an entire channel if that's ultimately what you need. Along the way, I'll point out what to watch for so you don't remove something you intended to keep. Start by opening Slack on the desktop app or in your browser and sign in to your workspace. Once you're in, navigate to the channel you want to clean up. This could be a project space that's wrapped up or a channel you created for a short-term discussion that's no longer active. Inside the channel, choose a message you want to remove. Hover over the message to reveal its actions, then open the More Actions menu, which appears as 3 vertical dots. From that menu, select Delete Message. Slack will immediately ask you to confirm, because deleting is permanent. Click Delete to confirm. Now repeat that process for the next message you want to remove. Open the 3 dots, choose Delete Message, and confirm Delete. Keep working down the timeline in the order that makes sense for you. If you're primarily clearing out your own posts, remember that you can only delete messages you sent unless your workspace permissions allow you to delete others' messages as well. If you see that delete message isn't available on a post, it likely means you don't have permission to remove that specific message. As you move through messages, take a moment to scan for any attachments or important notes you might still need. Deleting a message removes any files embedded in that message from the conversation view. If they're important for record keeping, download or relocate them first. Pace yourself and confirm each delete so you're confident about what's being removed. Continue this pattern. 3 dots, delete message, confirm delete, until you've cleared out the messages you no longer need. This method is straightforward and gives you full control, message by message, which helps prevent accidental data loss. If you're considering a more sweeping cleanup, you may be thinking about removing the entire channel instead. To see where that lives, open the channel's header menu. Look for the 3-dot menu at the top of the channel, open it, and choose Edit Settings. Inside the settings, scroll to the section for deleting the channel. Select Delete this channel, and Slack will show a clear warning about what that means. The channel and its message history will be permanently removed and can't be recovered. You'll be asked to check a box acknowledging that you understand this is permanent. After checking the box, the Delete Channel button becomes active. Click Delete Channel to continue, and Slack will present a final prompt. This is your last chance to back out if you're not absolutely certain. For this walkthrough, we'll choose Cancel at this point to keep the channel and its history intact. If you ever do need to complete a channel deletion, make sure you have the proper permissions and that everyone who relies on that history has what they need beforehand. To recap, the reliable way to bulk clean a channel in Slack is to systematically delete messages using the 3-dot menu and confirm each delete, which gives you granular control and reduces the risk of removing the wrong thing. And if a full reset is required, the Delete This Channel option in Edit Settings is the place to go, but treat it with extra caution. Always double check what you're removing and confirm you have the right permissions before you proceed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your Slack workspace tidy and focused.